fellow Biafrans in Australia and beyond. We met with the most senior members of the United States Congress. We met with the most senior members of the U.S. government, including the Speaker of the House of Representatives, Mike Johnson, the third highest official of the U.S. government, the chairman of the House Foreign Affairs Committee, Michael McCall, and a plethora of members of Congress. These members are now well educated about Biafra. It has never happened in the history of Biafra and Nigeria. We are closely working after being briefed, after educating these people, decision makers. We are now closely working with them to form a new Biafra policy for the U.S. government.
Welcome back to my channel. How are we all doing today? We are here again to go through some of the key information that is trending, some of the powerful messages, some of the powerful revelation from PM office. Biafran Prime Minister Maasa Monekpa, the good guy, Obatobe, one of Biafra land, the Mmeji Buabu, one of Biafra land. We are here to go through some of the things that he revealed to Biafrans on his meeting with Australians yesterday. And we are not going to hide anything here because it is time that we need to pick the point and run with it. This is not a call for war. This is not a call for hatred. Biafran independence, Biafran freedom is for all, whether you are Biafrans or not. As long as you're a human being and you love peace and freedom, you don't need to hate Biafrans. We are people that were known all over the globe. We live everywhere in the world. We don't segregate. That is why we can live anywhere and adapt with the system and the law of the land. Yes, every country in this world have bad people. Some have good, some have bad, some have both of them. But there's no one that have only bad. The one have good, good one. Anytime you see people talking about as if their own region or their country is the best and they don't have any criminal or any people committing evil in their midst, that's a lie. So Biafrans, if you check our people, if you check how we live, our contribution in the growth of other nations, in the growth of society today, the world we live today, Biafrans are playing a very, very good role. And that is why we are pushing to be free from the plans and plot of the enemies. As you can see on the screen here, PM wrote this, and I'm going to go through it. Okay, he said the big news is happening. This is big. U.S. forced UK to give up its claim on Mauritania's land is in exchange of U.S.-based rights. This could be an example use of U.S. willing to go against Britain. It will repeat in Biafra. And you can see the screenshot here. Britain disputed its land to Mauritania's securing key U.S. military base. This agreement has been made, and Biafran are going to capitalize on this, of course, because that is what it should be. And Biafran lobby, one of the best of them all in the world today, this our brother Elias says something very, very important, and we're going to go through it, of course. The United States has played a key role in pressuring the British to cede its claim over the Chicago's Islands Mauritius in exchange for securing a key U.S. military base in Mauritius. The U.S. is willing to force the hands of the British if proper terms are offered. The U.S. can play the same role via visa squeezing the British in support of Biafra independence. This will come and more sooner than you think. This is a very, very powerful news from NBC News. Is not hidden, and you can see Biafrans are reacting to that, but we are not going to go through the comments because we want to make this as quick as possible. So what this means is that Biafran government in exile, through the help of Biafran lobbies, have done a very great work. Like PM said in the video, that Biafran government is not in touch with people that matters in US government just for Biafran freedom. And people are somewhere telling you that Ekperima is this, Ekperima that. Some people don't want me to to always refer to them and their comment. Why it is very, very important is because these people claim that they're Biafrans. And not that they claim they're Biafrans, they are the one telling you that, oh, we have to wait for Mazi Kano to come out before you fight for your freedom. Mazi Kano is not the only person that is Biafra. Mazi Kano said, if you know what you can do to break Biafra, do it. Mazi Kano is in support of Biafran freedom. And Mazi Kano understands that he cannot do it alone. That is why he opened doors for all these people that are parading themselves today to join. And we are not going to hide or shy away from it. Biafrans, it is time to support, to rally around PM, to understand that we have a common purpose, a common goal to achieve, which is our freedom. And this is what Biafra need to understand. PM is not doing it for himself, he's doing it for us all.
That they have singled out Finland, founder of the book.
So let's continue with PM's speech.
Founder of the Boko Haram, who is the current vice president of Nigeria, meeting with my president, which I know very well personally, Alexander Stubb. One thing everybody should know is that we are a country of rule of law. The president of Finland is not there at the United Nations to discuss Simon Ekpa, so he will not give that attention to them. That's number one. And because Nigeria is a very stupid country, ruled by foolish people, ruled by criminals, they don't know what is called rule of law. They don't understand where their boundary ends as leaders, as they address themselves. So they may go there with the motive of telling President Stubb that, oh, what are you going to do to that Samanekpa? So of course, Stubb will never ever respond and answer them. That is just take it from me. So what they did was to come and say they are soliciting for Finland's support. Is it Finland that is the only country that came to the United Nations that they have singled out Finland to get Finland support? I look at them and I laugh. What about their godfather, United Kingdom? What about the other countries? What about the other brothers that are fighting against Israel? They have not approached them. The man is going to France every second week, and he's very good with the French president. Why did they not mention France? Why, on all the countries in this world, these criminals and terrorists did not see any country worthy? They are telling you, they just want to use it to do media propaganda in Nigeria, nothing else. They will say, let us go there and take pictures with stuff, and then we use it to do propaganda so that they will know whether Simon Ekpa will run away. I live here for many years. I have not stopped for many, many years. So it's not about even knowing stop, Mr. President, but it's about following the rule of law. I have not done anything wrong. What I'm doing is right, and I will stand my ground anywhere, any day to defend whatever I'm doing today for the freedom of my people.
That is it. That is from Biafran Prime Minister, knowing what he knows what he's doing, and he knows who the people are. I am not going to waste much of the time with this. I just want you to understand that Biafrans are head ahead. Thank you so much for your time, and please don't forget to share this video, like it, of course, comment, subscribe if you're new, and see you again. Bye bye for now.